Bill Gates' Alzheimer's cure. And this honey trick recipe, is it real? Does it actually help with memory problems? Let's look at what's going on. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what I found on Facebook, on YouTube, everywhere. You keep seeing these ads. They all send you to pages like the ones on screen. Every page pretends to be a major news outlet: CBS News, the New York Times, CNN World, Forbes, big logos, scary headlines, emotional videos, fake comments, built to make you think, okay, this must be real, except no. Look closer. None of these sites are real. They copied the logos, the layout, the vibe, but it's a costume, because the second you check the address bar, it falls apart. These news sites are sitting on random domains, not CBS, not CNN, not the New York Times, not Forbes, just sketchy websites wearing a fake mustache. That's giveaway number one. Now, what do they all have in common? A video. And in that video, Bill Gates, famous doctors, celebrities, and regular people supposedly talk about a miracle Alzheimer's cure. They call it a simple honey trick recipe, a recipe that supposedly fixes memory problems, and of course, they claim Bill Gates helped create it. I watched this video many times, different versions, same script, same trick. And here's the funny part: they never show the recipe, not once. They promise it again and again. 2 simple ingredients. Anyone can make it at home. Just keep watching. And then nothing, no ingredients, no recipe, no cure, just hype. And when the video finally ends, what happens? Surprise, you are pushed to buy a dietary supplement. They say it already contains the recipe, but now it's in an improved formula. How convenient. The free home recipe becomes a bottle you pay for. Beautiful. Now look at the video itself. It's stitched together. Real clips of well-known people, random bloggers, old internet footage. The original audio is gone. A new voiceover is slapped on top. And suddenly these people are saying things they never said. That is the whole game. Deepfake style advertising, fake context, fake story, real credit card form. When the video ends, a hidden section opens, or a giant button appears, and it pushes you to buy the supplement. In this case, it's called Memopezil. Then you land on the sales page. The page is built like a panic machine. Huge demand, almost sold out. Everybody's buying. Act now, don't think. Exactly what you want from a medical breakthrough, right? A countdown timer and a buy now button. Very scientific. Then come the badges. Good manufacturing practice, FDA registered facility, 100% natural ingredients, made in USA, GMO free. Looks impressive for about 3 seconds, because none of those badges link to any real certificate, no verification, no proof, no source. They're just images, decoration. In other words, fake credibility. And at checkout, same thing. More badges, more fake trust signals. A 5-star rating with no real verification, fake live messages, massive discounts, timers, counters, all saying the same thing. Buy now, before your brain has time to ask questions. That's not health education. That's a sales funnel. Now let's talk about Bill Gates, because they keep using his name. In every version, the video says something like, I, Bill Gates, helped create this medicine. Or it suggests his foundation is behind the honey trick recipe. The story is simple. This honey recipe is supposedly the basis of the cure, right? In reality, Bill Gates has nothing to do with this. None. A basic search shows warnings about ads using AI-generated deepfakes of Bill Gates, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, and other well-known people. They're used to promote fake recipes, fake cures, and questionable supplements with names like Brain Honey, Neuro Honey, and similar products. Bill Gates does not endorse them. He is not involved. What is true is different. Bill Gates is a well-known philanthropist. He has invested money in real Alzheimer's research. You can find information, including on his official site, about real scientific progress. For example, work around blood tests that may help diagnose Alzheimer's earlier. That is real research, not a secret honey mixture hidden behind a fake news page. So let's answer the question from the beginning. Clearly, there is no Bill Gates Alzheimer's cure. There is no real honey trick recipe. There is no simple 2-ingredient honey formula that solves memory problems. That entire story is bait, and the goal is simple: sell you supplements. That's it. Take care, and thanks for watching.